As a tech enthusiast, finding the perfect cell phone case for every environment is a must. And our friends over at Armadillo Tech got you covered. They sent us this CaseBorne case in exchange for a fair and honest review of this case. Now, this got you covered for the times you need a case in those heavy duty environment needs. Now, let's get this unboxed real quick and see what they have to offer. Now, this is for the S23 Ultra. S23 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now, while I open this, let me mention you can get this case at getcaseborne.com. And if you use my special promo code ESIM10, that's ESIM10, ESIM10, you can get a special discount on your purchase. Now, they do offer a limited lifetime warranty, which is not commonly seen, but Lord, that comes in handy when you need it. It's built to endure. Look at this thing, military grade phone case, and this is a tough phone case at that. My goodness, look at this thing. Let me turn the light on real quick. There we go. Get a real good look at this. This is for the outdoors. Now, the good thing about this is, look, it's made for any environment, right? It's not too bulky to where it's annoying to use in the home. This is actually a decent case to where you can use this in the home, in the office, at the gym, or if you work outside, if you go hunting, if you're a construction worker, whatever your environment, this case has got you covered from CaseBorne. Now, very interesting. I really like this design because, look, it's got foam in here, which is phenomenal for drop protection. As you can tell, my thumbprint, my fingerprint. So you have the nice shock absorption on the inside, which is good. But then you have the nice heavy duty, it's really rigid case. Got a little kickstand here, which is nice. We will put the phone on and give that a try. And it's sturdy. Look at that. It's not flimsy. So this is very well constructed. Their R&D team did a fabulous job at producing this case. We will definitely check that out and put that to the test there. Snaps right back in. But look at this. You have grips on the side here for resting it while it's in your palm. It's grippy. It's got a hard, it looks like PC backing, but then you have a soft, it's not necessarily soft, but you have a rubber-like material on the sides for the shock absorption. Nice big S Pen cut out. Look at that. And then you have a charging port protector right there. Now, this does have air pockets. It's kind of hard to tell in the lighting. The case is black. I'm not sure if you can see inside there. They do have air pockets on all four corners. I'm big fans of those. Now, this is a two-part case. As you can tell, it says separating front casing from rear case when we put this on. So you have the cutouts right here to easily press your power, volume down, volume up. You have a nice big cutout for the mic. This side is nothing but grip. And cutout for the speaker as well. Now, one thing that stood out to me is look how big this lip is. As far as when I say lip, right, I'm talking about this bottom part and this top part. Look how much it increases. Look how much it comes up. That is key for when you're laying your phone face down. Now, let's put this in here, and we will see what it looks like inside this case. Real quick, look at these corners. Look how much protection that provides. I mean, this has got you covered for basically any in every environment, right? And again, the S23 is a big phone. And unlike some other cases that just make your phone feel like a brick in your hand, this does not. And that's why I really, really like this case. And it does offer camera protection, as you can tell as well. So real quick, you get inside the box. Let's make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Nope. Let's see here. You have a little thank you note. You get, let's see, another thank you card from Dallas, Texas, right down the highway. CaseBorne.com is where you can purchase this. And remember, use the special promo code ESIM10. That's ESIM10. Nice little thank you card. Shows you how to properly install. Now, let's look at the instructions real quick in case some of you want to know how this goes on. So we'll simply detach the top part of the frame from the bottom. We will slide the top, let's see, 1, take that off. 2, slide the top part on the phone. 3, slide the phone in the bottom. And 4, snap it together. So let's give it a try. And there we go. So once you put it in there, make sure all 4 sides are completely snapped into place. Make sure the rubber border is snapped into the frame. And look at that. Wow, what an awesome case. You know what I really like about this? Look, the screen, it completely protects the screen, right? As I was mentioning, look how much protection that offers. So whether you drop your phone or you put your phone face down on a concrete bench like in a park, you're not going to scratch your screen with this case on it. Now, look how big this S Pen cutout is. No issues there whatsoever. Watch, I'm using my regular index finger and using the skin, not my fingernail. Watch. Boom. Comes out nice and easy, right? Just grab it out. Easy extraction. Easy to input back in. Boom, 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 boom. And it protects it. Boom, boom. See how much protection there is? So if you drop it on the bottom of the phone, they got you covered. You got a nice cutouts for the microphones on either side, the speakers. There's your charging port. Now, this will not block any screen protector you have on here because look, it goes down to the silver border on the bottom of the phone and it goes to the silver border of the top of your phone. So it's not going to be wrapped around your screen. It's going to allow you to use a screen protector on here, which is nice. Cut out for the mic up top, perfectly aligned. And then let's look at the camera protection. Wow, look at that. See how much raised, see how raised that is? So again, face down, no issues, no wobbles, perfectly. See, that's the issue with the phone naked, with no case, it wobbles, right? Because you got the cameras on this side, no cameras on this side. So it wobbles. With this case, no wobble. On the back or on the front. Now, look at this lip. Look how much protection that provides. Look how much increased that is. And it doesn't feel too much bigger than the phone itself in your hand. Let's listen to the clickies. Nice and clicky. And then check this out. It's got little inserts, little cuts on the power buttons and volume buttons, which is nice. It's kind of hard to tell in the video camera, but it makes it so when the device is in your pocket and you're not looking at it, you know exactly which button you're pushing. That's the other issue I have with other case companies. Sometimes their cases, it's hard to tell what button you're pushing in your pocket. This one, no issue whatsoever. Now let's test the kickstand on here. Nice and easy, snaps into place. Will it stand up straight? Let's try. Voila. So you can view it like, say you want to take social media, TikTok or whatever, right? It's an up and down form. Boom, there you go. Let's say you want to shoot a YouTube video, right? You want to do your own case review. Well, simply tilt it to the side. Boom, there you go. You're ready for YouTube, or you're ready to watch your video, Netflix, movies, whatever. So, and it goes for either way as well. Now, putting it down, nice and easy. All you do is simply help it out. It snaps right in place. It does not feel flimsy at all. And actually stays in place. Watch. Because some kickstands, look, this is how you know this is a good case company and a company you can trust. And let me explain why. It's the little things. It's the little things that matter. Other case companies with other kickstands don't have this feature, right? Where it simply snaps into place. And look, it's locked, right? Now, that is wonderful because other case companies don't have that little locking mechanism. So their kickstands, not CaseBorne, I'm talking about other case companies, are real flimsy kickstands, and you're fumbling around with it, or you tilt it up, boom, and it falls down. No, not with CaseBorne. Look, it stays in place. It's locked into place, and it's not a pain in the butt to retract it, because watch. That's it. That is awesome. Snaps into place. Boom. It's locked. And then all you do is just simply boop. Let's check the charging. Now, this is not the USB Type-C that came with the device. This is an aftermarket Type-C charger, but nonetheless, let's check it out. As you can tell, it is a little thicker on the base here, but we shall check it out. Still works. Yep. So that works. So the stock Samsung charger that comes with the phone is much thinner than this. So this is good news, because not only will the stock charger work, its charging cable will work, but if you have a thick aftermarket cable at home like this, where it's got a thicker base, those will work as well. Very, very good. Now, for the big test, let's see if the wireless charging works with a bunch of material on the back here. Now, let's see if I can get it just right. I can't really see on the back, but we will give it a try nonetheless. Should be right in the center there. Let's see. Do I have it set up correctly? Do I have it plugged in? Yes, I do. Oh, there we go. Did I move it? I think I moved it. Come on. Is the charger working? Whoops, let's see. Yeah, it's charger's plugged in, charging wirelessly. Let's see if I can get it just right. Got it to light up, so I know it works. I just have it off-centered. Move it around, la-di-da. Did I get it? All right, well, it obviously works. It's lighting up the phone like it's going to charge. Here, that's the issue. It doesn't have a magnet in the back, but if you want to, I just can't get it lined up perfectly. If you have a stand, it'll probably work if you have a stand, or if you want to play around with it and get it just right so you know where to put it, it'll work. It's lighting up the phone, right? Like it's going to charge. So wireless charging should work on here. I just don't have all day to find the sweet spot, but that'll wrap it up. Look, Sevyn Studios, we do the most extensive, best phone case reviews on YouTube. I want to thank Armadillo Tech for sending over this CaseBorne case for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I really like this case. It looks sleek. It feels comfortable in the hand. And best of all, it's got your phone protected, right? So thank you very much. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace.